Struggling to delete apps on MacBook Air in 2025? Follow these simple steps. First, you need to click on the Finder. After clicking on the Finder, click on Applications. You will see all the applications here. Click on the application that you want to delete from your MacBook Air or MacBook Pro. Then go to the File option here and select this option Move to Trash. This will send the application to the trash bin after clicking on it. As you can see, the application is gone. However, the application is inside this trash. So you need to also delete the trash. To delete the trash, you need to go to the Finder and select the option Empty Trash. And then click on Empty Trash. This will completely delete the application from your MacBook and will save space on your hard disk. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn MacBook quickly. See you again in the next one.